How to get all Facebook Messenger older version app. So if you want to get the Facebook Messenger older version app, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can open up your Google or your favorite browser. So I'll just simply go with a Chrome browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Facebook older version apps or APK. And after searching Facebook older version, now here you will have a lot of websites that will provide you the older versions. So I'll just simply go with the first one. After going with the website, now if you scroll down here, you will have all of the versions. So as you can see, the first one is for February 21, 2025. And if you scroll down, then you will have the older versions. So here, the older version is June 14, 2023. And if you want more older version, then you can go with the second page. And on the second page, you can scroll down again. And here you will have July 9, 2022. And if you want more older versions, then you can go with the next page, and then scroll all the way down and you will find the older versions. So for example, I want this July 14 version. Now, if you tap on it, then it will take you to this kind of interface. You can go with download APK. And after downloading the APK, you can go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and tap on downloads. And here you will have the APK. You can just simply tap on the APK and you'll be able to install the application with the older version. That's how you can get Facebook Messenger older version applications. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.